Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make some extra cash in a super fun way, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of mobile gaming, but with a twist. Imagine getting paid to do something you already love, playing games on your phone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money by playing mobile games. Yes, you heard that right. You can actually earn real cash while enjoying your favorite games. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos on making money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these tips and tricks. And tell me in the comments where you're watching from so I can tailor future content to your region. I love hearing from you all, and it helps me create better content for everyone. Alright, let's get into it. I'm super excited to share this with you. The platform we're talking about today is Playback Rewards. It's a fantastic app that turns your gaming time into earning time. This is a legitimate platform where you can earn real money just by playing mobile games. No gimmicks, no scams, just pure fun and rewards. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Here's how it works. You play games, complete missions, and earn points that can be converted into cash or gift cards. First, you need to sign up on Playback Rewards. The registration process is quick and easy. Just enter your details and you're good to go. Once you're in, you'll find a variety of featured games. These aren't just any games. They're carefully selected to ensure you have a great time while earning. By playing these games and completing missions, you'll earn points. Pretty simple, right? But wait, there's more. The more you play, the more you earn. It's that straightforward. Playback Rewards also has weekly quests. These are special missions that offer you the chance to earn bonus points. It's like leveling up in a game, but with real-world rewards. These quests are special missions that offer bonus points. So, if you're a dedicated gamer, you can really rack up the points quickly. Imagine completing a quest and seeing your points skyrocket. So, if you're a dedicated gamer, you can really rack up the points quickly. The more you play, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation. Another cool feature is the referral program. This is a great way to boost your earnings even further. You can invite your friends to join Playback Rewards and earn even more points when they sign up and start playing. The more friends you invite, the more you earn. It's a great way to get your social circle involved. It's a win-win for everyone. You get points, your friends get points, and everyone has a great time. Now let's talk about redeeming those points. This is where the fun really begins. You can cash out your points through PayPal, or if you prefer, you can get gift cards for popular retailers. Whether you want to treat yourself or save up for something special, the choice is yours. So, whether you're looking to get some extra spending money or save up for something special, Playback Rewards has you covered. It's a flexible and fun way to earn. So what are you waiting for? The sooner you start, the sooner you can start earning. Start playing, have fun, and make some money. It's a no-brainer. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried Playback Rewards before? What was your experience like? Have you tried Playback Rewards before? Do you have any tips for fellow gamers? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Do you have any tips for fellow gamers? Your insights could help someone else maximize their earnings. Drop a comment below and join the conversation. Let's build a community where we can all help each other out. Thanks so much for watching. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on all my latest tips for making money online. Your engagement helps the channel grow and reach more people. See you in the next video. Until then, happy gaming and happy earning.